Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You're signed in, subscriptions are canceled, and store credit is 0. This prevents blocks. Once done, open Settings, tap your name, then Media and Purchases. Choose View Account, Authenticate, and select Country/Region. Tap Change Country or Region and pick the destination. You must supply a payment method and billing address valid for that country. This is why preparation matters. Pause to double-check addresses and any business accounts that might need separate handling before continuing. Next, you enter the new country details carefully. Pick the country, type the billing address exactly as local formatting requires, and add a local phone number. If the App Store requires a payment method, add one issued in that country. Otherwise, select None if the option appears. Make sure to read and accept the updated terms. Tapping Agree applies changes across iCloud and all signed devices. If you manage multiple devices, sign out and back in where necessary so purchases and subscriptions align with the new country. Finally, confirm the change by opening the App Store and checking the regional catalog. Some apps may need re-download. Resubscribe to services using the new billing info and update app-specific settings that depend on region. If you are blocked, check for leftover Apple ID credit, active family sharing, or unresolved subscriptions. Those commonly prevent switching. When issues persist, contact Apple support with your Apple ID and transaction details. They can identify the hold. After resolution, repeat the change steps and verify everything functions as expected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.